Okay, Jack. Okay. Okay, bud. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome to our channel. Today we are just sitting in front of this warm fire while it's freezing outside, and I thought this would be the perfect time to do this video because Christmas is coming up in a few weeks. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys 4 Dollar Tree Christmas gift ideas. So I hope you guys get inspired from this and create your own gift baskets. So all these gifts, they are $10 and under. So you don't have to spend a lot of money on Christmas gifts and you can make it super nice. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. The first gift basket I want to show you guys is a little spa kit. And I got this adorable basket and it's sort of like a marble print. So I thought it was really pretty. And first I'm gonna add this body wash, and it is a calming lavender wash, and I've used it myself and it's really nice. And then I have a pair of these fuzzy socks, super warm and soft and snuggly, so that'll be perfect. Then this bath brush and these nail filers. I thought these were super cute with the prints and patterns on them. And then this little kit comes with actually a few nail files, toe separators and clips, and a brush. And then this Yardley sparkling mandarin and ginger bath bar, and these smell really good. And then this Dove body care beauty cream. And then last but not least, I'm gonna add these adorable little glasses. I actually don't know if these are wine glasses. I think they might be candle holders. But I think they are great for wine glasses, and I just thought it looked so freaking adorable in here. So here is the little bath spa kit that I put together, and I think this is really nice too. This would be great for a mother or mother-in-law or a sister, sister-in-law, friend. This can be given to so many people. And I just think it looks so cute with all the pink. I wanted to try something different and not just do red and green. The next gift idea is not as fun, but it is very practical and it's great for dads or brothers. I started out with a bucket and I'm going to put car wash supplies in it, including this scraper and brush. So I'm gonna include that in there as well. And then we've got this auto glass cleaner. So they do sell the Armor All cleaning products for cars, but they sell the little ones, which is great because if you want to travel or something, they're great for that. They have the multi-purpose cleaner, the protectant spray, and the actual wash, and the tire foam cleaner. And then I also got this good air freshener, and I've used these before. They work pretty well. Then this microfiber cloth. Okay, so here is the car wash gift basket, and I added this beautiful red bow and this red and green tissue paper, and I think it turned out very nice, not too girly. So the next gift I want to show you guys is just a cute little snack and drink type gift stocking. I found this really cute unicorn stocking. You can use any stocking you want, but I just thought it would be so fun. Then I found all these little candies. They have this truffles chocolate, and they have these little chocolates. I just thought it was super cute with the Santa on the front. And then they had these Muddy Buddies. Then they have these adorable cups. This one says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and it's a really shiny red. And then this one is a clear red one, and it's a little bit bigger. And it says, eat, sleep, and be merry. And they're actually really good cups. So these would make really great gifts. Then they had this one, and it has all these Christmas phrases all over it. And then it has a sparkly lid, which I thought was super cute. And then this shiny green one says Winter Wonderland. I guess for this one, it doesn't really matter, but we'll choose this green one since it's very Christmassy looking. So I'll just put it down in the stocking.
You doing, handsome? You say hi to everyone. Oh.
So here is our next gift basket, this cute unicorn stocking. And I absolutely love this one as well. And I actually added the little nutcracker because they have those at the dollar store as well. So this is a great gift to give a friend or a coworker or even for a kid's present. Put their favorite candy in here, maybe some hot cocoa, and then that mug. So I absolutely love this and it's just too fun. The next gift basket is a sort of home goods type basket, and I actually did find this at Dollartree, so we'll use this. And they also have these adorable little trees. And then I found this cute little sign that says Farm Fresh, locally grown produce, 100% organic. We're going to include these adorable pot holders that say family. Then I'm going to include this adorable little sign that says home. And I just cannot believe they had these for $1. Like, this is so adorable. Here is the home goods basket, and this one I really like. I just think it is so adorable. And I also added this little poinsettia in there, and they sell these at Dollartree. And you can clip it on the gift if you want. And I just think it's really cute. And this gift only cost $7, including the lights on the front. And you can get those at the dollar store as well. But if you're worried about the person that you're giving it to seeing their gift, then you can cover it with tissue paper. And I know it doesn't look super cute, but if you're just worried about that, you know, you could make it look nicer. But sometimes I'll just kind of put it over the gift that I'm giving. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Jack and I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to like this video and comment. Tell me what you thought about it. Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.